Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you the most common major, minor, and dominant seventh D-shaped bar chords. So when I say D-shaped, that means that open D string, that's where the root note's going to fall on. In this scenario, I'm going to be playing the fourth string at the seventh fret. That note there is an A note. So this is actually going to be the A major, A minor, and A seventh bar chord. Now let me show you those chords again. This is my major. This is my minor. And this is my seventh. So for the major, for the root note, I'm going to place my ring finger on the seventh fret of the fourth string, for that A, you know. And then for my next note, I'm going to place my middle finger on the third string, sixth fret. And then I'm going to just place my index finger on the fifth fret of strings 1 and 2. And this is what it sounds like. So that's your most common major D-shaped bar chord, okay? Now I want to play here a minor D-shaped bar chord. This is your most common minor D-shaped bar chord. It looks and sounds like this. And I'm going to play that root note, so it's going to be on the seventh fret of the fourth string. It's at A, so this would be a A minor bar chord. And then I'm going to basically take my index finger and place it on the first, second, and third strings of the fifth fret. And this is how it's going to look. And this is how it sounds. So that's your most common D-shaped minor bar chord. Now, for the seventh chord, this is what it looks like and sounds like. And again, I'm going to take my index finger and place it on the root for this A7 bar chord. And I'm going to place it on the root of the A, which is the fourth string, seventh fret. Then I'm going to place my ring finger on the ninth fret of the third string. Then I'll place my middle finger on the eighth fret of the second string. And then I'll place my little finger on the ninth fret of the first string. So I have my index finger on the seventh fret of the fourth string, my ring finger on the ninth fret of the third string, my middle finger on the eighth fret of the second string, and my little finger on the ninth fret of the first string. So it sounds and looks like this. Again, those are your most common D-shaped major, minor, and seventh bar chords. Hey, Mr. G, hope you enjoyed that video. Keep on jamming.